स्टॉप करना जब करने वाले हैं
image segmentation. Problem. Original image often has inconsistencies due to light and noise. Ideal image is composed of the fewest possible distinct intensities. Solution. Segment original image. Represent a range of intensities with one intensity. Second, allow user or machine to more easily determine which pixel belongs to which object. Discontinuity. Partition image based on abrupt changes in intensities. Aims to find edge. Similarity. Partitions image based on groups of pixels which fall into same intensity range. Image segmentation subdivides an image into its constituent region or objects. Process is stopped when the objects of interest have been isolated. Accuracy determine the eventual success or failure of computerized analysis procedure based on one of the two properties of intensity values, discontinuity, edge-based, and similarity, region-based. One, a gray level discontinuity above changes point, line, and edges. Assemble edges into region boundary as linking similarity according to a set of criteria. Region group, split, and merge. Usually, image segmentation is an initial and vital step in a series of processes aimed to overall image understanding. Applications of image segmentation include identifying object in a scene of object-based measurements such as size and shape. Identifying objects in a moving scene for object-based video compression MPEG-4 format. Identifying objects which are at different distance from a sensor with depth measurements from a laser rangefinder enabling path planning for mobile robots. Image segmentation. Usually, image segmentation is an initial and vital step in series of processes aims to overall image understanding. Application of image segmentation includes identifying objects in a scene of such object-based measurements such as size and shape. Identifying objects in a moving scene for object-based video compression MPEG-4 format. Identifying objects which are at different distance from a sensor using depth measurement from a large range finder enabling path planning for a mobile robots. Type of image segmentation: thresholding method, region based, watershed techniques. K means clustering, fuzzy C means clustering, templates matching, wavelet based segmentation technique, contour based methods. Thresholding. Thresholding is usually the first step in any segmentation approach. In this section, we discuss technique for partitioning images directly into region based on intensity values and properties of these values. One way to extract the impact object from background is to select threshold T. Any point xy in the image at which function of x and y is greater than t is called object point. Otherwise, it will be called as background. Other parameters theta, called the brightness threshold, is chosen and applied to an image A x y. The result is a binary image, but that alone is not yet segmentation. Results must further be worked out by joining pixels together into one or more region or area. If a xy is greater than equals to theta, then a mn is object which will be equals to 0. Else a of mn is background, that must be 0. Similarity approach. Pick a threshold T. Pixel above threshold get new intensity A. Pixel above threshold get new intensity B. It is a sort of example in which the prior strip is a full image and a threshold is set at just a bit of this strip. The threshold value is, for example, 128. Now, the points pixels beyond 128 will be in partition 1 and pixels of greater than 128 in partition 2. A can be known as B intensity and thresholding histogram. Analyze histogram. Peak and valley method. Find two most prominent peaks in histogram. Two deepest valley in histogram. Use gray value of deepest valley. Here is a histogram of a image. There are two peaks and a valley. Thresholding techniques. Thresholding is one of the most important approaches to image segmentation. In this method, pixels that are alike in grayscale or in some other features are grouped together. Often a image histogram is used to determine the best setting for the threshold. Some images, such as scanned text, will tend to be a bimodal, and a single threshold is suitable. Other images may have multiple modes and multiple thresholds may be helpful. In general, multi-level thresholding is less reliable than single-level thresholding, mostly because it is very difficult to determine thresholds that adequately separate objects of interest. Thresholding is of basically three types. Local thresholding. Threshold T depends only function of Fy, that is only on gray level values. Adaptive threshold. Threshold that depends on both function of xy and pxy. Global thresholding. Threshold depend on the spatial coordinates x and y. It is also called dynamic threshold. Local thresholding. Local thresholding is to statistically examine the intensity value of the local neighbor of each pixel. The static which is most appropriate depends largely on the input image. Simple and fast functions include the means of the local intensity distribution, the median value, or the means of minimum and maximum values. Adaptive thresholding. Adaptive thresholding changes the thresholding dynamically over the image. This more sophisticated version of thresholding can accommodate changing lighting condition in image. Example, those occurs as a result of strong illumination, gradients, or shadows. Adaptive thresholding typically takes a grayscale or color image as input, and in the simplest implementation outputs a binary image representing the segmentation. For each pixel in the image, a threshold has to be calculated. If the pixel value is below the threshold, it is set to background values. Otherwise, it assumes the foreground values. There are two known approaches to finding the threshold: Chow and Kaneko approach and local thresholding. Chow and Kaneko divides an image into an array of overlapping sub-images and then find the optimum threshold for each sub-image by investigating its histogram. The threshold for each single pixel is found by interpolation, the result of sub-images. Local thresholding. An alternative approach to finding the local threshold is to statically examine the intensity values of local neighborhood of each pixel. The static which is most appropriate depends largely in the input image. Simple as fast functions include the mean of the local intensity distribution, the median value, or the mean of the minimum and maximum values. Now, the last, global thresholding. Based on a histogram of an image, partition the image histogram using a single global threshold. The success of this technique very strongly depends on how well the histogram can be partitioned. The basic global threshold is calculated as follows. Select an initial estimate for T, typically the average gray level in the image. Second, segment the image using T to produce two groups of pixels. G1 consisting the pixels with gray level greater than T, and G2 consisting pixels with gray level less than equal to T. 3. Compute the average gray level of pixels in G1 to give mu1 and G2 to give mu2. 4. Compute a new threshold value. 5. Repeat step 2 to 4 until the differences in T is in successive iteration is less than a predefined limit T tends T infinity. This algorithm works very well for finding thresholds when the histogram is suitable. Now the second thing of segmentation, region-based segmentation. Region-based segmentation is done for breaking a big image into simpler and smaller regions of common identities. Region-based segmentation is totally based on common identities in whole region like same GUI level. We discuss segmentation techniques that are based on finding region directly, basic formulation,
Region growing methods.
Ri is equals to R. Ri is a connected region.
Growing methods.
I is equals to
Growing method.
I 2 3. I is equals to 1 2 3 tends up to n. Ri intersection R1 equals to null. For all I and j, I must not be equal to j. P function of Ri is true for I is equals to 1, 2, 3 tends up to n. Probability of Ri union Rj equals to false for I not equal to j. Conditions. First point indicates that segmentation must be complete, that is, every pixel must be in a region. Any point in a region must be connected to some predefined sense identities. Region must be disjoint. It deals with the property that must be satisfied by pixel in region. It false. It indicates that Ri and Rj are different to each other. Now, region growing. Selecting a seed point and start integrating until a small region of same pattern. More than one seed point can be there in natural problems. Then treat them all simultaneously. Sometimes cluster can be found. Pixel nearest to the centroid will be treated as a seed point. Descriptors can mislead results if connectivity is not used. Another problem is formulation of stopping group. Region growing should stop when no more pixels satisfy the condition, but sometimes it keeps adopting other pixels on the base of size and average GUI level matching of region to their GUI level. Region growing can be successfully used in weld failure. Here are some pictures of welding failure. In the first picture, two plates are joined and the dark side, the dark thing, is welded metal, but there are some cracks which we can see in the form of light extraction. But we thresholded them, and then after we just getting the cracks. Now in the third picture, we again process to get the cracks clearly. Now that clear cracks can be imposed on the real picture. A. Image showing defects welds. B. Seed point. C. Result of region growing. D. Boundaries of segmented defective welds and black color. Histogram of welding. Here is a histogram of welding, which is plotted against two parameters, number of pixels and height of the intensity of gray level. It varies from 0 to 255. 0 is the least value of gray level and 255 is the highest value of gray level. Between 191 and 255 we got the highest peak, which goes near about 11,000, lies in the range of 10,000 and 12,000 on the left side of the graph. The minima of that histogram is lying between 127 and 191. Now the third technique of thresholding is region splitting and region merging. Alternative method of region segmentation subdivides an image into arbitrary disjoint region. Arbitrary regions can be split and merged in order to satisfy the conditions. Image is assumed to be homogeneous. If it's not true, it will be divided into 4 parts. The splitting process will stop when whole image will break down in a small homogeneous region. If the original image is square 9 by 9 having dimension that powers of 2n equals to 2n, all region produced but the splitting algorithm are squares having dimensions m by m, where m is the power of 2 as well, m equals to 2m, and m is less than equal to n. Splitting technique is betterly explained in a so-called quad tree method. Here is a block representation of a splitting of image that is known as partitioned image. Now the second image is quad tree process. This is known as it is the corresponding quad tree. If one R is the main image, it is split it into 4 parts, R1, R2, R3, R4, and then one of them, that R4, is again split it in 4 on the basis of segmentation. That will be R41, R42, R43 and R44. That will be continued till the image does not get any irregularity in image, and it keeps going on. Splitting and merging has an algorithm that does splitting and merging simultaneously. First, function of R is false if R is non-homogeneous, then split it into 4 sub-regions. Predicate of Ri union Rj is true. Ri and Rj, two adjacent regions, as they are homogeneous, they will be merged. It keeps moving on till no splitting and merging possible. Splitting and merging is more effective than only splitting algorithm. Application in 3D images and magnetic resonance imaging, that will be known as MRI in medical. An example of region splitting and merging is given below. Here is the most popular classical Linus image we had treated is as under region splitting and merging. Now we get a result of that splitting and merging image is that. Now the next point of thresholding is watershed techniques. Introduction. It produces more stable segmentation and continuous segmentation boundary. Provide a simple framework for incorporating knowledge-based constraints. Basic concepts. Image is visualized in 3D, 2 spatial coordinates, gray levels, a gray image as a topological image. Here is an image. Now it's transformed on the basis of its gray level. Topographical interpretation. Points belonging to regional minimum, catchment, basin or watersheds, divide lines or watershed lines. Main aim is to find watershed lines. Punch the regional minimum and flood the entire topography at uniform rate from below. Dam is built to prevent the rising water of different catchment basins to merge on. Eventually, only the tops of the dam are visible above the waterline. Dam boundaries corresponds to the divide lines of the watershed. Different flood levels. Here are some pictures which you can see as we treated them and the watershed techniques. And finally, in the third image, we got watershed lines of different flood levels. Topographical view shows that the height of mountains was proportional to the grayscale value of the original image. Water level is rising in consecutive images shown in the previous slide. To prevent water to spill out the structure, entire topography has to be enclosed by dams of height greater than mountains. Heights of mountains will be shown as highest possible gray level value in the image. Now the dam construction. Dam construction is based on binary images which are member of 2D integer spaces z square. Objective of building a dam to stop water spilling across basin. M1 and M2 are set of coordinates of point of two regional minima. Coordinates of point in the catchment basins associated with minima in flooding level are Cn M1 and Cn M2. Coordinates be the union of these sets. Q denotes connected component formed in figure B by dilation from flooding stage n-1 to stage n. Dilation of the connected component by the structuring element in figure 3 is subjected to two conditions. Number 1, dilation has to be constrained to Q. Number 2, center of the structuring element can be located only at the points of Q during dilation. Dilation can be performed on the set of points that may cause the set being dilated to merge. A. Satisfy by every point during dilation, and B. Did not apply to any point during dilation process in the first figure. In figure 2, several points failed the condition 1 while meeting condition 2, resulting in broken parameter shown in the figure. In figure 4, 1 pixel, a cross-hatched path shows the desired separating dam at the nth stage of flooding. Construction of dam at this level of flooding is completely by setting all the points in the path is determined to the value greater than maximum gray level value in the image. Now the watershed segmentation algorithm. Let M1, M2, M3 up to Mn be the set of coordinates of point in the regional minima of the image function of G on xy. Coordinates of Mi be the coordinates of points of the catchment basin associated with the regional minima M1. threshold of n coordinates is equals to st, and function and g of st must be less than n. Tn set of points in gxy which are lying below the plane function of gxy equals to n. N equals to stage of flooding varies from minimum +1 to maximum +1. Minimum equals to minimum gray level value. Max equals to maximum gray level value. Let coordinates of M1 be the set of points in the catchment basin associated with M1 that are flooded at stage n. Coordinates of n are coordinates of M1 union T of n. Coordinates of Mi equals to 1 at location xy if xy belongs to Cmi. Xy belongs to Tn, otherwise it is 0. Coordinates of n be the union of flooded catchment basin portion at the stage n. Coordinates of n equals to u of r, I equals to 1. See coordinates of m1. C max plus 1 equals to union of r, I from 1. Coordinates of mi. It keeps on increasing the level of flooding, and during this process Cn, Mi and T of n either increase or remains constant. Algorithm initialize at C of minimum plus 1 equals to T of minimum plus 1 and then proceeds recursively, assuming that at step n of C of n minus 1 has been constructed. Q be the set of connected component in T of n. Each connected component Q belongs to Qn. There are three possibilities. A. Q union Q intersection Cn minus 1 is empty. Q intersection Cn minus 1 contains one connected component of Cn minus 1. Q intersection Cn minus 1 contains more than one connected component of Cn minus 1. A. Across when a new minima is encountered. In this case, Q is added to set Cn minus 1 to form Cn. B. Across when Q lies within a catchment basin of some regional minima. In that case, C. Occurs when ridge between two catchment basin is hit and further flooding will cause the waters from two basins will merge, so a dam must be built within Q. Image characterized by small variation in gray level have small gradient values, so watershed segmentation is applied on gradient of image rather than actual image. The regional minima of catchment basins correlate nicely with the small value of the gradients corresponding to the objects of interest. Applications on images of all these stuff. First image is image of blobs. Second is that gradient form. Third we are getting watershed lines. Watershed lines are imposed on original image in the fourth and the final figure. Over segmentation. In this image, first image, electrophoresis image, we result of applying the water segmentation algorithm to the gradient. Over-segmentation is evident. Now, the next technique of thresholding is k-means clustering. A clustering algorithm approximation of NP hard combinational optimization problem. It is unsupervised. K stands for number of clusters. It is a user input to algorithm from a set of data or observation. K means to classify them into K clusters. The algorithm is iterative in nature. K means details. x1, x2 up to x9, xn are data points on vectors or observations. Each observation will be assigned to and only one cluster. Ci denotes cluster numbers for ith observation. This similarity measures Euclidean distance metric. K means minimize within cluster point scatter. W of C is equals to 1 by 2 of summation of K equals to 1, summation of Ci equals to K, and summation of Cj equals to K on a function of on a xi minus xj equals to K equals to 1 K and K, summation of Ci equals to K on the mod of square mod of xi minus mk. Mk equals to mean vector of the kth cluster, nk equals to number of observation in kth cluster. K means result is always noisy. K means algorithm. For a given assignment C, compute the cluster means mk. Mk is equals to summation of I tends to Ci equals to K of xi upon nk. K equals to 1 up to K. For a current set of cluster means, assign each observations as Ci equals to average minimum of xi minus mk mod square. I equals to 1 to n. Iterative above both steps until convergence. An example of k-means clustering is given there. Here is a medical image of two lungs. That is known as image I. Now it's clustered, and now we can see three types of clusters. Green, the external body. Red and blue are the two different densities of blood cells in lungs. That is known as 3 cluster image J on gray level value of I. Summary: K means converge but find local minima of the cost function. Works only for numerical observation. Fine tuning is required when working on image segmentation because there is no imposed spatial coherency in k-means algorithm. It works as a starting point for sophisticated image segmentation algorithm. Template matching. Introduction. It is used for classifying objects. Template matching techniques compare portions of image against one another. Sample image is used for recognizing the similar objects in source image. if standard deviation of the template image compared to the source image is small enough, template matching may be used. Templates are most often used to identify printed characters, numbers, and other simple objects. Agenda. Template matching consists three main factors: definition and method, bi-level images, gray-level images. Method. In an input image, there is a template image at XY pixel. Then it will be correlated I of XY on the path of OXY. It's on output image at the same coordinate XY. Method. The matching process moves the template image in all possible positions in a larger source image and computes a numerical index that indicates how well the template matches the image in that position. Match is done on a pixel by pixel basis. Correlation. It is measure of the degree to which two variables agree, not necessarily in actual value, but in general behavior. The two variables are corresponding pixel values in two images, templates and source. Bi-level image thrush template matching. Template is a small image, usually a bi-level image. Finding template in source image with a yes/no option. E. A template, a source image. Gray-level image template matching. When using template matching technique on gray-level image, it is unreasonable to expect a perfect match of the gray level. Instead of yes/no match at each pixel, the difference in level should be used. Q, that is a template, it's a source image. Gray level correlation formula. R equals to summation of n minus I equals to 1, xi minus x bar, product of yi minus y bar upon roots summation of n minus 1 I equals to 0, xi minus x bar whole square into summation of n minus 1 I equals to 0, yi minus y bar whole square. X is a template gray level image. X bar is the average gray level in the template image. Y is the average gray level in the source image. N is the number of pixels in the section image. Section image equals to template image size. Columns into row. The value R is between -1 and 1, with larger values representing a stronger relationship between the two images. Correlation is computational intensive. Template matching image of 53 by 48 pixels, source image 177 by 236 pixel. Assumption: template image is inside the source image. Correlation search. Matrix size 124 by 128. 177 to 53 by 236 to 48. Computational count 124 by 188 by 53 by 48 equals to 59, 305, 72, 8. Machine vision example. Load printed circuit board in machine. Teach template image. Select and store. Load printed circuit board. Capture a source image and find template. Here is a machine visioning figure. A machine is identifying a board. Assumptions and limitation. Template is entirely located in source image. Partial template matching was not performed. Rotation and scaling will cause poor matches. That's the image. It is a template. And yes, it's found in the image. Operational images. Correlation and map peak. Source image, found rectangle and correlation map of the images. Correlation map with peak. Source image and found rectangle. Correlation map with peak. Source image and found rectangular. Now the last example is correlation with map peak. Source image. In this image, template not found 0.543 is less than 0.800. Threshold set to 0.800. In that small part of pic at 6770 coordinates, threshold set to 0.200. Contour based method. Introduction. Active contour models are also known as deformable model, dynamic contour, or snakes. The snake term is used to refer active contour model. Segmentation of real images such as medical images is very complicated as they consist noise and artifacts. Why so? Performance of active contour model is effective in real images. This approach is immune to noise, boundaries, and gap present in the image. These are also effective in 3D and dynamic data. Working. Snake is the concept of computation of minimal energy paths. Snake follows region growing process. Initially, contour is placed like a seed pixel inside region of interest. Contour consists of small curves like elastic band, grows or shrink to fit in region of interest. Now, computational algorithm. Point of snake are represented as a spline curve with a set of control points. Specifying all the points make the algorithm computationally intense. Snakes are represented in parametric form of x equals to function x of s and y equals to y of s. Then the curvature can be calculated as energy of length equals to summation of n I equals to 1 partial differentiation of xi by partial differentiation of source image whole square plus partial differentiation of y and partial differentiation of source image whole square. Energy. Contour is moved by forces and energy functions. Force of energy functions are derived from the image itself. Snakes is of two types: internal energy, external energy. Internal energy. Internal energy depends on intrinsic properties like boundary, length, or curvature. Minimization of these factors leads to shrinkage of contour. Counteract the shrinkage of snakes, external energy is used. External energy. External energy is derived from the image structures and it determines the relationship between the snake and image. External energy depends on factors such as image structure and users supplied constraints. These constraints also control the external forces. Total energy equals to alpha of total length plus beta of curvature energy minus gamma of image energy. E length equals to total length of snake. E curvature is its curvature. E image equals to counteracting or opposing forces. Alpha, beta and gamma are used to control the energy functions of the snake. Problem with snake. Problem is to minimize snakes with is iterative process. Points of snakes are evaluated iteratively. Parameters are adjusted so energy is reduced. Iteration continues till it settles to the minimum of E total. If chosen contour is good, snakes converge very quickly. Advantages. The main advantages of snake is that very often they provide closed coherent area. That's all about types of segmentation. On that, we conclude image segmentation. Thank you for joining with us.